Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really chill vlog. Just did some orders, some cleaning, a little sipping paint, a little get ready with me, spending time with the family on this beautiful Sunday. As y'all can see, I have my wine and I'm very comfortable, honey. Very comfortable. But I don't want to make this intro way too long because my battery's about to die. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, let's talk about the comment. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Bye guys.
Hey, bitch, good looking fool. Hey, bitch, good looking fool.
That's when me believe it. That's when me believe it. Believe you wanna see me.
So you guys, so right now I'm in my studio room. I'm gonna put this contact paper on my table so that when I'm doing my makeup, it won't get dirty, and I'm gonna use this table to paint on in a second anyways. Good, let me just get my background together. My sister, her mans and her kids just pulled up, so I have to make this get ready with me quick. So I'm not really gonna talk that much, but what I am going to tell you guys is what I'm actually doing today. Today's a pretty chill day. The weather is perfect outside, so we're probably going to throw something on the grill. Right now I'm just gonna do my hair and makeup. And then once I'm done with this, I am going to attempt to paint a picture. I went to the store yesterday and got what I needed, so I'm gonna attempt to do this painting. I know she's a little harsh right now, but we're gonna fix her up. Honestly, I don't know what it is. This pencil makes my eyebrows look so dark. This makeup, I hope she turns out okay because she is giving harsh, honey. This poof in the back. It's giving middle school. It's giving I just got back from recess. Alright, Sam. What are we about to do about this head, child? I really could just be in a ponytail, which I'm probably going to do. My hair is starting to get a little oily. Get this kitchen back here. I need my scrunchie a little tighter. Is it giving watermelon head? Is she giving watermelon head? I would just like to know. Yes, she is. You know what? Bump all this. I'm about to just do what I do and just do a regular, schmegular, pulled back ponytail. Oh my goodness, girl, that was the struggle. All for me to just go back to what I kind of originally had. Stick with what you know, folks. Stick with what you know. So, now that I am properly ready, set to go, y'all ready to paint? Y'all ready to do a little sipping paint? Alright, you guys, so, see you guys when we get to okay, hopefully I got this set up. Damn. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? I'm about to get my canvases, I'm about to get my paint, my wine, my speaker, and then we'll just, you know, Have a little moment. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I need to zoom in a little bit. Are y'all ready to paint some pretty pictures? I'm joking. Dropping some new things before the end of this year, some things that I've been working on for a long time. So it's just exciting to finally see it come together. Which is another reason why I decided to paint today, is because last night I was trying to think of just concepts, think of like my rollout and... Yes, Aiden? I don't know if he's gonna be able to find me. Yeah? Yeah? Go ahead!
I gotta tell, can I tell everyone that you have candy here or not?
Who's over here? I missed you, baby. I missed you, best friend.
Can I tell everybody that you have candy here?
Can I get a hug?
Sure.
Oh my goodness.
Now can you? Hi YouTube.
Let me show you you're my best friend. Tell them how old you are.
4.
Tell them who's your favorite auntie? Who's your favorite auntie? Yeah, give me a hug. Yep, okay. You can go pick out 5 pieces of candy.
Can I tell them that you have candy here?
Yes, you can tell them.
Can you read this? What is it?
It's a lifesaver.
You heard us,
And
Melissa.
Mommy!
Aiden, are you eating candy?
Mm-hmm.
Aiden, not a good choice.
it's okay.
Not another one, Aiden.
Aiden, it's okay. It's okay, Derek. Now you got both these kids crying on my camera. You got both these kids crying on my watch.
My heart stopped beating triple time with thoughts of loving on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do.
We always OD with the food every time. What are we cooking up today, Chef Sham?
A good old salad, you know,
Okay.
ain't hurt nobody.
Okay, salad ain't never hurt nobody.
Ain't hurt not a soul. No
Okay.
salad haven't hurt a soul.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw a little cheese on there.
Oh my gosh.
We'll put a little cheese on here.
Okay, show them how to do it. Show them how to do it good.
Good.
Good. Girl, y'all ought to be ashamed starving me all day.
Girl.
I get so weak and weak. I can hardly speak. I lose all control. It's so in a day. Amazing. It's not amazing.
Alright, you guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far already. Honey, you might as well subscribe and you might as well watch another video while you're here. So I'm gonna just leave it up on the screen somewhere. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, who was that? Y'all heard that? I will probably upload my full studio makeover video after this vlog goes up. So that'll probably be the next video that you guys will see from me. So stay on the lookout for that. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Do I like this? I don't think I do. Hey, what's up YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Am I ashy? Lord. Alright, so I had to hurry before my camera dies, but let me get my wine.